I am proposing that when we have this Human Rights National Council, we should have definitely the apex judges. One or two of them must be there, because the problem in our country is when human rights matters goes to the highest court, they do not interpret it the way we anticipate them. Like for instance, Dr. Hussein just told me that he was involved in the drafting of the Suhakam Act. Now, when that drafting of the Suhakam Act was conducted, there is this particular important provision. One is, of course, defining what is human right to relate to fundamental liberties. So why do they do that? Judges don't seem to understand. And then, more important than that is, in the Suhakam Act, it says, under fundamental liberties, if there is a lacuna or something that is empty, that is not provided for, you can pay regard to the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, 1948. Because currently, the federal court is not paying attention to Section 4, Bracket 4. So you have to make them understand that Section 4, Bracket 4 is not for decoration. Surely it has got some purpose that the draftsman and the legislature were in fact addressing. So I have proposed that whatever nice convention or declaration that you may have, we have got now AHRD, ASEAN Human Rights Declaration. All these will be nothing if your individual judiciary is not aligned to the requirement of human rights. So I have proposed to all the 10 countries, let's educate our judges in human rights. Because, of course, the word educating the judges is very harsh, very hard. But I say it so that you understand what we're trying to do. But I have proposed that let's get the best brains all over the world, including ASEAN 10 countries, namely the top judges, to be invited, and that is happening in what I call the first Asia Judicial Symposium, 12, 13 and 14. So those of you who are in the National Human Rights Action Plan, you must attend this, because you will be able to see the dynamics of human rights being discussed and how we as Malaysia should proceed in our line of activities so that we are consonant with the high standard of human rights session. The idea is to have judges on a peer-to-peer interaction, because judges do not like to be said they need education. You know, maybe because we keep on referring to them as the learned judge and all that, so they thought that they are already very learned, they don't need to learn anything else. Actually, human rights, every one of us need to learn. The more I read, the more I find that there's a lot more to learn. There's always development in human rights.